All right, and we are in the 295 RL. Really nice rear living floor plan. Actually, the shortest Montana available right now in 2024. Hey guys, Destin the RV Guide here, going over more of that RV lifestyle stuff. Together we can tour the newest models. We're going to go over some RV tips and tricks, maintenance tips and tricks, RV news, and a whole lot more. If you're part of that RV lifestyle, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along for more. Hey guys, it's Destin the RV Guide here, and I am so excited. We are checking out a 2024 Montana High Country 295 RL, and they did quite a bit on the outside this year. They redid their graphics package. It looks sharp. They brought that Montana emblem right back towards the front there, and it looks good. Starting off at the front, your amber marker light right up front here. Of course, your patented Hitch Vision mirror. Some people love it, some people hate it. Kind of a cool little thing. Road armor, pivoting hitch head, of course, standard with all Keystones. Right under here is going to be our wet storage. If you are going to do a generator prep, it's going to be right here where we're looking right now. Dual battery box right by that. Your inverter for the fridge is going to be right there, and then our solar charge controller and etc. As with all Keystones, you're going to have some sort of solar package on here, probably 200 watts or so. Comes standard. You can upgrade if you want to order something from the factory. Outdoor speakers, they've gone with, I believe they're JBLs out here this year. Nice power awning. You do get a second power awning on the slide out, so you do get a little bit more length out of that. Redid the door this year, so they went with like a glass style door. Looks really sharp. Right next to our 4-step, step above steps. How many times can I say that fast? They are hydraulic steps too, so you don't have to put any sort of weight there. Underneath the camper here, of course, all enclosed, all heated. You got heat pads on all of your waste tanks. You have forced heat into all the plumbing areas here. And you do get a nice little storage area in the front as well. We're going to sneak towards the back here. All right, after that fine bit of camera magic, we're going to have a ladder up to the roof. Fully walkable roof, fully walkable slide outs, rear camera prep, and you do have a 2,000-pound rated hitch with a 4-pin connector back there, so you can tandem tow if you're in a state that'll let you. 50 amp connection on the camper, and then on the back side here you can see one of our leveling feet for a electric leveling system equipped on the camper. On the off-door side here are going to be our low point drains, our sewer connections, and dumps, and all that happy stuff. So there we go. We're going to be the poles, our sewer connection right underneath there. There's going to be our hot water tank, 12 gallon on this one. Gas electric combo. Now, you're probably asking, why isn't tankless yet? It's a Montana. It should be. They almost went with it, but the ability to run off electric and gas is quite helpful for a lot of people. Leveling controls, your hookup center is going to be right here, which they did really nice. You got your exterior shower, winterization port, water heater bypass, all those good flips and switches and doodads. Your tank poles are going to be right there. Auxiliary solar in case you want to add some more, and your key TV hookup. And let's head on in here. I'm so excited to say that because my hand is frozen right now holding the camera. It is not warm today. All right, and we are in the 295 RL. Really nice rear living floor plan. Actually, the shortest Montana available right now in 2024. I believe 33 feet, I want to say. Don't quote me on that, but it's under that 35-foot mark where that true Montana line starts. Really nice sort of setup on the back here. Let's start off and work our way around. Thomas Paine furniture on the recliner. Now, this is it looks like an 80-inch recliner, comparative to some like the Cougar, where you give a little bit bigger end tables and a little bit smaller of a sofa. They went with picture windows this year. Not a huge fan of that, to be honest. You can't get that cross breeze anymore, but at least they still give you a window there. You can open the rear window. Nice overhead storage up above, and some overhead lights. One of the 2 air conditioners on the coach right back here, fully ducted, of course. And you have your Thomas Paine furniture moving into the recliner here. So you have your electric recliner, and then that middle piece will come right out if you want a snuggle session. Onto the entertainment center. So JBL speakers inside and out. That'll be your control center for both of them there. You got a smart TV. You got a little electric fireplace right underneath there. And behind this TV, let me do some camera magic. You got a big old storage area back there. So, hidey holes. Up above, you're going to have even more hidey holes. And we're moving on to the kitchen here, where you got a 3-burner Furion cooktop. Nice little oven underneath there with the fancy-dancy lights. Decent-sized oven. They still haven't gone with the full size yet, and I'm, again, glad that they haven't. And you know and why in my other videos. If you don't, make sure to watch my other videos and find out why. We got a big convection oven right here. I don't know if it's a convection oven. It looks like just a really, really big microwave, to be honest with you. I think it's a big, big microwave. A little bit of hidey holes up above. They did add a knife block this year. That's kind of cool. There's the inverted outlets that we've talked about in the past. As with all Keystones, you're going to get that. 2-bay metal sink, residential faucet, and a nice little flip up for the countertop here. You got 4 full extension drawers here, and then right underneath, dedicated spot. They even give you the trash can and your sink overlays. And there we go. Full-size pantry, as with all of their fifth wheels here. They redid the flooring this year, too. I really like it. Kind of brightens it up a little bit. A little coffee bar here. You got an outlet up top. Nice amount of storage up above. And then down bottom. Another redo they did. They redid their stairs up. Kind of nice and open. There is our built-in vacuum breaker box. A nice little coat rack. On to the restroom. But wait, the restroom goes into the bedroom. Let's start over here. So, king-size bed up at the top, which is really, really nice. You actually have wardrobes on both sides. 2 really big drawers right there. And then a hidey hole right over here, too. You got a nice window right here. It's an automotive glass window, so you don't got to worry about it cracking or anything breaking it. You do got a privacy shade, so don't worry about that. And then really nice spot right at the top there. So king size bed, both sides are going to have a night light, or shelf, I should say. Power on both sides, so you can plug in a light. You got 6 more drawers right here for storage. Nice little window that actually opens. And then a TV area right there. And of course we're attached to the commode here, so we walk right in. You got your neo-angle shower. They give you a nice little seat here. The commode, of course, is porcelain. Plenty of space for your legs, and then a nice little cabinet up above there. Your sink area. Medicine cabinet that opens. You got 3 drawers and a little hidey hole underneath. And then your washer dryer prep. Can't forget that in a full-time fifth wheel like a Montana. Which I said full-time. Montana's one of the few that are warranted for full-time use. Make sure you read the fine print in your camper that you're looking at, you're buying, because if you are planning on living in it full-time, then make sure that it's warranted for it. Anyways, that's what I got for a tour. Any questions? Happy to answer them for you. Thanks for watching.